we are going to see about diathermy. Diathermy is nothing but a treatment process. Meaning is through heating, that is deep heating directly in the tissues of the body. That is important. Heating tissues of the body directly in the tissues. That is important. That is diathermy. This is nothing but treatment process. We have so many external heat sources like hot towel, heat lamps, heating pads, infrared lamp, hot compressors. This will produce discomfort to the patient and also produce skin burns. To overcome these disadvantages, we have this technique, diathermy technique. In this, we have so many types: short wave, microwave, ultrasonic, surgical, and all. Okay, so we are going to see short wave diathermy now. In this, we are using high frequency current. In this technique, we can use high frequency current. Motor and sensory nerves are not stimulated in this technique. So there is no muscle contraction problem and also no discomfort to the patient. See the block diagram. In this we have supply, power supply, then RF oscillator, then directly that wave is given to patient electrode. See the block diagram. Supply delivered power about 500 watt. Then RF energy, the output of RF oscillator, that RF energy is given to the patient electrode. This is the concept. That energy heats the tissues and helps in healing of injured tissues. The concept here we are using is electrodes are not directly in contact with the skin. That is important. Not directly in contact with the skin. We have two methods in this shortwave diathermy: capacitive method, inductive method. Capacitive method, or we can say condenser method. In this we are used here is pads that forms capacitor plates. Then body tissues acts as a dielectric. That pads acts as a capacitor plates, body tissues acts as a dielectric. The whole arrangement forms a capacitor. Okay, now we have to apply RF current to the electrodes. Now the capacitor produces heat in the interlying tissues. This technique we can say capacitive method, or we can say condenser method. RF current is applied to the electrodes. That capacitor now produces heat in the interlying tissues. This technique is called as capacitive method, or we can say condenser method. See the diagram. This dark portion shows your electrodes. Then that body tissues will act as a dielectric. RF current is applied to the pad. Okay, see this diagram. Then inductive method. We have two methods in shortwave: inductive method, or we can say inductothermy. Here we are using a flexible cable. In a capacitive method, we used plate electrodes. Plate electrodes are inconvenient to use. Flexible cable is coiled around the arm or knee or any other portion of the body. See this diagram. This arm, we can apply RF current. That is, that flexible cable is coiled around the arm here. RF current is applied between the ends of the cable. RF current is applied between the ends of the cable. Now Superficial tissues are heated by the eddy currents. Eddy currents that are produced due to the magnetic field around the cable. This technique we can say inductothermy. Instead of using continuous RF waves, we can use RF pulse also. That technique we can say diapulse shortwave diathermy. RF pulse means diapulse shortwave diathermy. Continuous RF waves means inductothermy. Now the advantage of this inductothermy is penetration of RF waves can be easily adjusted. No danger of burns or irritation. Then healing rate of tissue is increased. That is the advantage of this method. Thank you.